We got a double on. I got one, and Betsy's got one. All right, hold on. I gotta get mine in. What? Spotted? Yeah, it's a trout. Hold on. Let me get mine in. Hold on. I got a good one. Wow, Dad, this is actually a good size one. I'm keeping this one. This one's a good one. Hold on, Bet. Woo! That's a nice one. Hold on. We're gonna keep this one. That's a good one. Alright, now we gotta go over and get Betsy's off. It just sucks that we both had one on at the same time. That one.
Ah, it's underneath the boat.
All right, let him come out. Here, you're gonna reach down and put him in that. Grab the net. Grab the net for me. Reach down and scoop him into the net. Get him in the net?
I did.
Nice. Yay! That's fine. Yes, he is. You gonna get him out? No? Where are you going? Alright, hold on. There's one. There's one. He tired out quick. Nope. Another good one? Staying down. Oh my God, that's a big one. That's a little bit bigger. Yeah, much bigger actually. Much bigger. Ah, I can't get him in. I'm gonna lose him. Much bigger. Much bigger. We're gonna have some trout for dinner tonight. As soon as I can get him out of there. He doesn't want to come out of his net. There we go. Much bigger. Much bigger than the last ones. Just putting some good sized stockies in here. Much bigger stockies.